Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to find the hostname in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The hostname is your computer's unique identifier on a network. It helps other devices recognize and connect to your machine. Methods to find hostname in Windows. 1. Using command prompt, press Windows key +R, type CMD, and hit enter. In the command prompt window, type hostname. Press enter. Your computer's hostname will appear immediately. 2. Using system properties, press Windows key +R, type sysdm.cpl, and hit enter. In the system properties window, go to the computer name tab. Your hostname is listed under full computer name. 3. Using settings, Windows 10 11s, press Windows key +I to open settings. Go to System, then About. Scroll down to Device Specifications. Look for device name. This is your hostname. 4. Using Run command, press Windows key +R. Type msinfo32. Press Enter. In System Information, check System Name for your hostname. Tips and notes. Renaming. You can change your hostname in System Properties. Computer name. Change. Network use. Hostnames are case-insensitive but should be simple. Avoid spaces, special characters. Admin rights. Viewing hostname doesn't require admin privileges, but changing it does. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.